fastest growing industry for the last 3 years is video gaming, and this investment will harbinger a further new era of cooperation between UAE and Pakistan. And I must thank especially His Highness Sheikh Ahmad Al Maktoum also for his special interest in Pakistan, and the fact that there is a youth bulge in Pakistan where such programs can be highlighted, can be started. There will be tremendous youth involvement. I am very happy that this Galaxy racing event and subsequent events will then be generated from within Pakistan. The talent available here as far as software writing is concerned, as far as development of games is concerned, is tremendous. Pakistan has a youth bunch, and those participants who are here, I wish them good luck for the racing event. But those participants who are here should also show the fact that this youth bulge in Pakistan is going definitely in a positive direction. We are developing human resource. We understand our universities and our colleges and our government is working hard to make sure that Pakistan is able to supply software resource to the entire world. There is tremendous need within Pakistan and for this talent, and even throughout the world.